Many people want a better life, but the problem is not the dream, the problem is daily action. In any game, if you don't play, you don't level up. Life works the same way. Leveling up your life doesn't mean changing everything in one day. It means becoming better than you were yesterday, learning one new skill, stopping habits that slow you down. Leveling up doesn't come from luck, it comes from discipline. 1. Your mindset. If you tell yourself, I can't do it, you already close the door to success. Ask yourself, what can I learn today? Look at your phone. The time you waste scrolling social media. If you use that time to learn one skill, in 6 months, you'd be a completely different person. If the people around you only joke and waste time, you will stay at the same level. Stay around people who push you higher, even if they are few. Do just one thing today. Read for 10 minutes, learn one new skill, write your goals, or stop one bad habit. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for next month. Start now. Remember this, the person you want to become is waiting for the decision you make today. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, comment. What will you level up this week? Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep leveling up your life.